I call this a chapel of acceptance. The concept was formed around the idea of creating a safe space in a public setting. It's amazing that this bathroom is a single person at a time use because I feel like you can kind of come in here and reflect if you need to, take a break. You can be alone with your thoughts. You can also experience the work. The text for me is almost like a personal mantra, things that I say to myself in moments where I may feel uncomfortable, almost like self-affirmations as well. The I see you always and always is also a message that I like to share with others, and it's about transition, but it's also just about visibility and becoming an ally to someone that needs it or is struggling to be seen. I do believe that we can all see each other, maybe not understand completely what someone's going through, but I think it's a goal that can be achieved.